So here in Clovis, California, we just finished installing a Kenmore softener. This was purchased by the homeowner, and we installed this. First thing we did over on the back side, you can see over there, we shut the water down and then went ahead and tied in to the lines here. Let's make sure we got them tied in right. You can see in, yep. So this one's in right here, and we labeled this when we began down here. So that's into the unit, that's out of the unit. What we've done is just taken some Pro Press fittings here, cut the copper, polished it up real good, pressed it in place on both the hard water intake and the soft water supply. And then we got some 1" by 24" stainless steel supplies. These are Pro Flows, straight from Ferguson, tied into these little adapters. What these adapters, they just screw in, and then they pop in. There's an O-ring right here, and these little clips retain them. Same thing as the head inside. They have the same kind of clips, the little black clips right there on both sides. That retains it. Now you do have wiggle room back and forth. This is designed to give a little bit back and forth because the manufacturer, realized that a lot of hard piping into the unit was resulting in these cracked assemblies. So what we've done to eliminate a lot of the stress on that, these supply lines, there's a lot of give to them. So you can move this around and everything's still, going to be good. So right now we've checked it, no leaking around here. Let me see if that's grease or water, can't tell. It's grease. We lube these up pretty good with silicone grease, just so the gaskets stay in good shape. So, but no water dripping, everything looks good here. The drain, they have a overflow drain for the tank here. There's no floor drain out here, so we can't run anywhere. We did hook up the hose, and it's just curled up right there. Let the homeowner know that they can certainly double up where they tie in the discharge line with this, or run it out to where they want to discharge it. They are using potassium. The drain line itself is tied in up here. You can see this black hose. It's tied in, and we've left that just curled up right here. I'm not sure how much it discharges a week. The older unit, you can see that they dumped the drain line into the sewer, and that's not code. So I can't tie it in there. The homeowner is free to do what they want, but we recommend putting an adapter on there with a clean out, extend it out, and then put a clean out back on so you can clean your sewer out still. And then go ahead and Y off and put a P-trap. Bring the standpipe up. It doesn't really matter, 18 inches or so, maximum I think 2 feet. And then they make adapters that allow you to take this tubing and plug it on top without it actually entering the piping itself, so that you don't get any back siphonage from the sewer line over into your water, which serves the building. So anyway, everything looks good. Any problems with this, any weeping at all on these stainless steel, you just run your finger around here. Right now, like I say, we've still got a little bit of the silicone grease on there, no water on both these. We've checked the back side of our Pro Press fittings, and those are good. Stainless steel is good on this side. Any trouble with this, give us a holler. We'll come back out, tighten it up for you. Right now it is in bypass mode, so we're going to leave this to the homeowner to get this fired up and see how that operates. And then if they want an additional price on plumbing out here, they can certainly contact us. And if not, that's the only part of the installation that we can do, at least as a licensed plumbing contractor. Another plumbing contractor certainly could come out with no license and do whatever you'd like them to do. We simply can't do that. So anyways, everything looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.